Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you work with Power BI Desktop, you've probably noticed that over time the program can start feeling a little sluggish, especially when you're dealing with big data or lots of report edits. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to clear your Power BI Desktop cache, a simple but super effective way to speed things up, fix stubborn data issues, and just keep your workflow running smoothly. Let's get right into it. The cache in Power BI Desktop is basically a storage area where the program keeps temporary files to help your reports load faster. But just like clearing crumbs off your desk, sometimes it needs a cleanout so you can start fresh. First, with Power BI Desktop open, look up at the very top left. You'll see the File menu. Go ahead and click on that. If you're new to Power BI, this is where you'll find all your central options, kind of like the control center in most Microsoft applications. From there, hover your mouse down to Options and Settings. Now, this bit might take you a second to find because there are a few items here, but you're looking specifically for Options. Give that a click. When you open the Options window, don't be overwhelmed by all the different settings here. There's a lot, but we're zooming in on just one area today. Look over to the left-hand side and you'll see a list of sections. Under the part labeled Global, scroll down until you find Data Load. This is where Power BI manages how it loads and caches your datasets in the background. If your reports have been acting odd, loading extra slow, or even showing outdated data, this is often the culprit. Once you're in the Data Load section, glance over to the right and you'll see a button labeled Clear Cache. Go ahead and click that. You might have a brief pause while Power BI clears out those temporary files. Think of it like emptying out a cluttered drawer so everything fits better and runs more smoothly. Don't worry if nothing dramatic appears to happen right away. A lot of this works quietly in the background. Why does all this matter? Well, imagine you're working on a report and you update your data source outside of Power BI, but your report just isn't reflecting the changes. More often than not, that's because old cache data is getting in the way. By clearing the cache, you're making sure Power BI fetches the very latest data, and you minimize weird glitches or loading problems that can creep in over time. Just a quick side note, clearing the cache is completely safe. It doesn't touch your actual reports or any saved work. It just wipes out those temporary files that Power BI tucks away to help itself work faster. And if you have a really large report, clearing the cache might take a few extra moments. But that's totally normal. Just give it a little bit to finish the job. That's all there is to it. This is a simple maintenance step, but it can make a big difference in how responsive and reliable Power BI feels, especially as your reports and data sets grow over time. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to hit that like button. It really helps out the channel. And if you have any questions or if you've run into a tricky issue with your Power BI reports, drop a comment below. I love hearing your stories and helping out. And hey, don't forget to subscribe if you want more straightforward, actionable tutorials like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.